Pakistan uses steel plates to produce affordable and durable truck leaf springs. Despite its simple equipment and essential environment, the final product is very cost-effective. The new steel plates piled up on the ground before us are the raw materials for making truck leaf springs. Since the lengths of the steel plates in a set of leaf springs vary, the new plates need to be uniformly cut for mass production. The steel plates can be cut to the required length using the chalk mark guidelines on a shearing machine. Although their equipment requires several artisans to work together, the cutting speed is still reasonably efficient. When a set of steel plates needs to be bolted together, holes are drilled in the center using a drill press to combine the individual plates. After the artisan's simple pre-treatment, the ends of the plates are heated in a furnace to anneal them and reduce their hardness. This is necessary because, in addition to being bolted, the ends of the leaf springs need to be connected to the chassis frame using pins. After correcting any uneven edges, the heated ends are bent using a bending machine, forming hollow, circular eyes for the pins. These are the pin-connected steel eyes. Even though they don't have high-end bending machines, the entire processing procedure results in no defective products. Although the length meets the required specifications, leaf spring steel plates must have a standard arc. To provide shock absorption and support, the plates of different lengths must be uniformly heated in a furnace to avoid weakening the steel during shaping. After 20 minutes of heating in the furnace, the annealed and softened steel plates are first pressed into shape using molds and then further shaped into an arc using a spinning machine. Arc molds help make each steel plate perfectly identical. Although their equipment requires manual operation, the process is still very straightforward. Once the steel plates without eyes are also processed, they must undergo quenching treatment with annealing oil to increase their strength after shaping. The speed of the conveyor belt at the bottom of the oil tank determines the quenching time, which enhances the overall hardness of the steel plates. While the strength has improved, the steel plates must withstand the truck bed's total weight and provide shock absorption. Therefore, the quenched steel plates must undergo tempering treatment again. The primary purpose of this is to improve the mechanical properties of the steel plates, eliminating the internal stress caused by quenching while meeting the rigid requirements for ductility and toughness. After the tempered steel plates have cooled again, they are prone to rust, making storage difficult. To ensure a new appearance at the time of delivery, the sides of the plates are painted first to avoid missing them during surface painting. Once the plates are neatly arranged, the artisans apply durable anti-rust paint to prevent oxidation and rust. The artisans work quickly for this paint job, which only requires a partial finish. To ensure each steel plate is correctly classified for assembly, the artisans use different stencils to spray different parameters, ensuring the correct installation order. This helps avoid errors during leaf spring assembly. Once the surface painting is complete, these steel plates are ready for truck use. For the truck leaf springs made by the artisans in Pakistan, how many points would you give if you had to rate them out of 10?